Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. The political crisis in Rivers State has continued to heighten, and this is because despite the fact that the APC in the state has ordered the State House of Assembly to impeach Governor Simi Fubara for insulting President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, which ordinarily is a laughable impeachment offense, because nobody should be impeached for insulting President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, which from all intent and purposes, there has never been any insult of Bola Ahmed Tinubu by Fubara. Fubara has shown himself to be a perfect gentleman, but because Fubara did not, perhaps they believe that because Fubara did not agree with all the 8-point agenda of the 8-point resolution that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu brokered between Fubara and the former governor of Rivers State, Nyesom Wike. Now they term it as an insult. That's not insulting the president. That is Fubara asserting himself as the duly elected governor of Rivers State. Now, the local government chairman in Rivers State has joined the call for Fubara to be impeached. They base their own allegation on the claim that Fubara has withheld their fund, that Fubara withhold local government fund. They accuse him of withholding local government funds. As a result of that, they say it's a violation of the Constitution. The person who made this known was the chairperson of Association of Local Government of Nigeria, Argon, Rivers State branch, Orwell Ihunda, at a press conference in Port Harcourt. That's why he made this allegation, and then call for impeachment, call on the State House of Assembly to begin impeachment process against Fubara. And according to this Argon chairman in Rivers State, he said that recently Fubara held a meeting at where he held meeting without inviting the local government chairman or vice chairman or other officials, but he only invited civil servants, heads of local government administration. Those are the people he invited. Heads of local government administration, heads of personnel management, treasuries of local government areas, and other directors. According to this Argon official, in that meeting, Fubara asked these civil servants to compile salary vouchers. So apparently these local government chairmen are incensed that maybe the salary voucher, maybe their own salary will not be paid, perhaps. So they are agitated, and they want the governor to be impeached. But they don't know that Fubara has recently understood the power he has as the governor of a state. And I think he's exercising it. And one of the things I believe that has given him the courage is the support of the people. The support of the people of River State. They are massively behind him. And only recently, the John Nation from Bayelsa paid him solidarity visit, again telling him that he's not alone, that they are with him all the way. And for these local government chairmen who are asking the State Assembly to impeach Fubara, they don't know that Fubara has already written off those assembly lawmakers. Because recently Fubara said that Rivers has no House of Assembly. It was a bombshell. The wicked camp, the lawmakers themselves, they were not expecting it when the Fubara said it, and he said it with authority. He said it with authority. He said it when the John Nation from Bayelsa visited him. So he was very emphatic about this. He said, this is what Fubara said. He said, let me say it here. Those group of men who claim that they are assembly members, they are not existing. I want it to be on record. So he wanted it to be on record that he does not recognize them, that they do not exist. For Fubara to say this, it means that Fubara has been able to get convinced that these people can do nothing to him. They cannot impeach him. That they cannot impeach him. Of course, there are those who are saying that since the matter has been taken to court, they should wait for court interpretation. But that is his position. And that his position is in line with the Constitution of Nigeria. Section 109 of the 1999 Constitution as amended was clear. If you defect from the party platform that you are elected to another party, you lose your seat. The Supreme Court has confirmed it too. There is no ambiguity in it. So these people have lost their seat. He is reminding them. So the local government chairmen who are relying on them to impeach the governor may be wasting their time. And these local government chairmen, their tenures have expired. They ought to have given way. But the State House of Assembly, which Fubara said does not exist, which many people in River State consider an illegal body following their defection from PDP to APC, was the one that extended the tenure of the local government. So I'm not surprised that Fubara don't want to pay them salary going forward, because their tenure have expired. So let the local government, let the State House of Assembly come and pay them the salary. Apparently that's what Fubara is trying. The message is sending by the revelation that he had meeting with heads of administration, heads of personnel management, local government treasuries, and other directors without the chairman. And he was talking about compilation of salaries. So he knows what he's doing. And one good thing about the whole matter is that it is alleged that the wife of former governor of River State, Peter Odele, Justice Mary Odele, Justice of the Supreme Court of Nigeria, retired, is also a kind of legal consultant to them. So if you have somebody like that who is advising you, who understands how the law works, advising you, you can bet, I can bet my bottom dollar that if that woman is his advisor, has been alleged, then I can now understand why he talks with confidence, knowing that he's standing on a solid ground in terms of the law, which the Rivers lawmakers is believed to have broken. And knowing that, perhaps that gave him the strength. That gave him the strength to continue to push his own agenda, disregarding whatever they have to say, knowing that the law is on his side. But not only that the law is on the side of Fubara, the people are on his side too. And it's not surprising. Nobody will want a state, no state will tolerate a governor, no matter how fantastic he was. After 8 years, he will still be breathing down on the neck of his successor, wanting to be dictating who gets what. Where is that done? And there will be peace. There won't be peace. So this is the time of Fubara. And all those people who were planted by Nyesom Wike, the former governor of the state, and thinking that they will use that to intimidate the governor. The governor is sending a signal that he's waiting for them. I don't know how they are going to do it, but this situation must end in favor of Fubara so that there will be peace in Rivers State. Like I said in previous video, this matter is not a matter that should be dragged. If President Bola Ahmed Tinubu call Nyesom Wike to order and tell him, I don't want you to cause any problem for me in Rivers State, because if there is crisis in Rivers State, it will affect productivity of oil in Niger Delta, and that could have dire economic consequences for our country. Already our economy is in dire strait. Our economy cannot sustain any crisis from Niger Delta, especially Rivers State, which is a major player in Nigeria's oil and gas investment and resources, which is used to fund Abuja and all the expenditures that those who are in Abuja are enjoying as government officials. The economy of Nigeria depends on the oil and gas coming from Niger Delta, and the Rivers is a major player. Any crisis in Rivers State which could lead to disruption of oil production should be avoided, and the only way to avoid it is for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to tell Nyesom Wike to face his job in Abuja and allow Fubara to face his job in Port Harcourt in Rivers State. In that way, there will be peace for the whole country and for Rivers State in particular. That's my take on this. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.